Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some outdoor lawn ideas. Thoughtful landscape design is the key to creating an outdoor space that truly revives and inspires you. Whether you have a teeny country yard in an urban area or a sprawling estate in the country, everything from grass type to the design of the floors, beds, and the hardscaping contribute to how use you the space and how often to help you transform your own patio yards, garden, and more. We have rounded up inspiring landscaping ideas and examples that truly make the most of their natural surrounded. Scour the list of our answers to your own design dilemmas, and you might happen across a few unexpected ideas along the way. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. And if you are looking for a simple guide to help you come up with a landscape design from scratch, keep watching to the end. These outdoor spaces will pave the way to better landscape design for every size, style, and region. Want more beautiful homes? We have got plenty. Let's swoon over them together. Nothing can channel in the French country yards side like a lavender field, especially one that leads to a stone floor arranging studio. Wendy On wanted her Sonoma, California property to feel like a laid back, rustic French village. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. And thank you for watching my video.